Ipopost natin ulit. Makikita nyo na ina-jam-jam.
Plastic na una.
Ikaw lang.
Nasa taas. Kasama na ito lahat.
Kasama lahat. Kaya kailangan ano, picturean kasi baka mamaya pag nabili nyo na.
Nasaan yung gamit?
Oh, wala na yung gamit.
Ito yung picture namin.
Sabi na picture.
Hindi kasi medyo. Oo, maganda na. Balik na tayo dito.
I need to go to the bathroom. I want to go to the bathroom, Mommy. Yes. Yeah, I did pee already.
Nathan, come here.
Did you flush the toilet?
Yes. Yes.
Nathan, sabi mo, this is my house. This is our house.
This is my house, and then this is our house.
Can you show me your bedroom, Nathan? Can you show me your bedroom?
Yes.
Okay, where?
What colors is my bedroom?
With a yellow green.
Yeah, it's green.
Bed sheet.
Okay.
Blanket.
Here.
Here? Okay.
Asya. Higa. Higa ikaw. Oh, okay. Is this your bedroom, Nathan?
Yes.
Oh, sabihin mo. This is my bedroom.
This is my bedroom.
Do you like my bedroom?
Yes.
Nee, sabihin mo. Do you like my bedroom?
Yes.
You say it.
I my bedroom.
Do you like my bedroom?
Yes.
Wow.
Hey, I have a picture.
Oh, do you want a picture?
Over there. Look it.
Oh, sige, sabi mo, bye-bye na.
Bye.
Okay. Yan.
Okay, right. This is a bee.
Mhm.
I have a crack. To take a picture of my crack.
Yeah.
This is too big.
It's too big. What's big?
This bed.
Oh, the bed is big.
You can go to bed. You can.
It's big?
It's too big.
Ito, maganda tong room ito.
Loving. Tita Alvin,
Yeah?
can I take a picture of my crack?
Ay, shit. Nasa record.